Hello, sir. Is there any problem, sir, from your side?
No. Actually, I'm using what Zoom free, right? This Zoom is giving just me just 40 minutes. Because of that, the meeting got stopped. Okay, so
Okay, sir.
don't worry. Actually, if need, I decided to buy one license version. Okay, now one license version. So when I will take the data structure at that time, I will buy what? I will buy and yeah, Vasu, I can use Google Meeting, right? But some people don't know Google Meeting how to use and all those things. Because of that, I'm not taking the session in the Google Meeting. So everyone is habituated already in the Zoom, right? Because of that, I'm taking, and I don't want to disturb others. Okay, na to install Google Meeting also and all those things. Okay, so because of that, okay, where the person is feeling comfortable, just okay, na just I'm giving the things to people, okay, in that kind of. Don't worry about that. If need, right? If need, I will take. I will take. Okay. So now screen is visible, right? So let me know that 1 or 2%, then I will. Okay, na. So ID is what? ID is what? ID. How many annotation in the persistence table? How many annotation is in the persistence table is mandatory? Entity and ID. These two annotation is what? Mandatory. But I do. If you don't want this name, right, in the table, which annotation we will apply? At the rate, what is that column, right? At the rate column. Inside that, what we will pass, just I'm giving what? MID, right? Name equal to what? MID, right? Name equal to what? MID. Okay, now fine. Okay, so now fine. So second attribute, on the top of second attribute, what we will do now? At the rate column, right? At the rate column, right? Inside that, what we will do now? We will pass that what? Name equal to, what is this? Name equal to m name, right? M name. Okay, na. This is the another attribute. Okay, fine. So model type is what? At the rate column, right? At the rate column. Inside that, what? Name equal to what? M type. Just I'm giving what? M type. Okay, na. Just I'm giving what? M type, right? This is the model type, means M type. So in the database, based on not this one, right? Based on this one, our table row will create. Based on this one. Okay, fine. So what? Let's, okay, now generate Alt Shift S plus R setter and getter method. Okay, select all, generate setter and getter method. Okay, fine. Now Alt Shift S plus S, two string. I'm generating what? Two string method also. Okay, na. I generated two string. Fine. Now, so what we will do now next? So this is what our model class is. What means? This one is completed now. This class is completed. Okay, which class is completed? This class I completed now. Okay, na. So next one is what we have need? This class. Okay, next one is what we have need? This class. Okay, na. So fine. So okay, so if we develop this one, okay, na, if we develop this class, so again what we will do now? Come here. Okay, come here and right click on that, this package only, right click on this package. Now new class. Okay, class, what is the? Com com.rk product. Oh, sorry, product, just product, right? Just product. I'm taking the class name is what? Product, right? Product. Now finish it. Okay. So again, if we want to make this class as a persistable, which annotation we will apply? At the rate entity annotation we will apply, right? I don't want the product name in the table, right? The table name I don't want product, just I want prod, right? So which annotation? At the rate table annotation we will apply, right? Inside that, what we will do now? Name. We will take the name, right? Just we will pass the prod. We will pass the prod, right? In the prod, fine. Okay, I pass the prod. So now come here in the diagram. In the diagram, what is that? In the diagram, I taken these attributes, right? I taken what? These attributes. So for that, what is that? Private. What is this? private int integer, just I'm taking what is the integer prod id, right? Prod id. Okay, fine. So now private what is that? String prod name, right? Product name. After then what is that? Private string private double, right? Double prod cost, right? Product cost, just I'm taking what? Product cost. After then what is? Come here, come the diagram. Product model means model also na, which model I want to buy, which model I want to buy. In the HP laptop HP model number something, product name is HP, cost is near about 20,000, and I want 2 GB RAM, 1 TB hard disk, right? 1 TB hard disk. Based on this model I want this one, okay na? So for that, what is that? Product model attribute we will take inside what? Parent table. This one is the what? Parent table. Okay, means this one is the what? Parent class, and the model is the child class. And in the same in the database, model class will become child class, and this one product class will become parent table, right? So here also see this one I said that, right? Come here, this one is what? Parent table, this one is what? Child table. Same like here also, this class is what? Parent class, and this one is the child class. Okay now, this one is the child class. So okay, for that what we will do now? Private what is this? Private, I'm taking what? Set collection, right? Here I'm taking what? Set collection. Inside that I'm passing generic type module only. I'm taking the module. What is that? Mod. What attribute I taken here? Product mode, right? Product model I taken. So product, just prod mod, right? Product mod, right? Fine, this is the attribute. Okay na? So I said that how many annotation mandatory in the class? @id. @id means these two annotation is mandatory in any situation. Until unless if we miss any annotation, then our application will not execute perfectly, right? So for that, okay, column, right? Column, I don't want model class name, right? I don't want model class name. So, name equal to what is that? Prod just PID, just I want PID in the table, right? I want PID column, right? Column name equal to what? Name equal to, just I want what? P name, right? P name. Okay, fine. Okay na? So again what is that? Product class column, column column. Okay na? Inside that name column name equal to P cost, right? P cost, fine. So but here we don't want, we have need to perform what? Association on this attribute, right? We have need to perform what? Association on this attribute. So which annotation we will apply? Because this is what? Product class is what? Parent table, right? So I want parent table primary key in the what? Model class foreign key, right? We want the parent table class primary key as a table of child table, in the child table foreign key. So for that we will apply what? One to many annotation, right? One to many annotation on the top of this one, right? On the top of this attribute, right? Which attribute we are associating with what? Model class. We are associating with what? Model class. After then in the table, after then come here, after the in the table to make this column as a what? This name, right? This name. For that, which annotation we will apply? Join column, join column, right? Inside that, what we will do now? Join column, inside this annotation, what we will pass? Just name we will pass, right? Just name inside that. What is that? Just I'm taking what means P means product, right? Product. FK means foreign key. Product foreign key, right? Product foreign key. Fine. So now, okay, so after then what we will do now? The things is completed now. Okay now, alt shift s plus r, generate setter and getter method. Select all. After then alt shift s plus what? S to generate two string method. I'm generating the two string method. Means both what is that, both classes is completed now. If you want without data, if you want to see without data, see this data will be not there, but the table structure will be there. If you want to see the, like this structure, just like pid, pname, pcost, and the model class moid, model name, model type, fk. Actually, in from my side, too much noises is happening because construction is going on. This things is making to you people, right, a little bit what problem, the things is giving problem, right? Let me know that, friend. Okay, now let me know that, because they are doing some drilling kind of things. uh, Noise is happening. This is the fine. Shall I stop them? Okay. Okay, then fine. No disturbance, right? No disturbance, right?
Yes, Ravi.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then fine. So now, okay. So this is the table, right? But if you want to see the what? If you want to see the structure, just because I'm not giving any data, right? We will see based on the data also. But if you want to see the structure in the database table, right? In this table, right? In this table, these two table for the another model, right? I'm going to run this application. When I will run that application, two more table will create in this database. Okay, na? So let's see that, and we will see the structure. We will see the structure also, right? So now I'm going to run this application, right? Now I'm going to now run this application. Now run it. What happened? Right click, run Java. I will pass the data also, don't worry. Application is running now. Okay, so it's taking time, but don't worry, it's taking time. Okay, some problem is happened. See, some error. Let's see that what is the error. Okay, but come here, right? Just refresh the database. See, product, only one table is created, right? Only one table is created. Okay, so why only one table is created? Product, but product model class table is not created. Why? Come here. So I did mistake. Come here. Okay, na? So what I did mistake, actually, in the product class, right? In the product class, just we will not take the attribute after the new, like new, what is that? We will take a total full, just has. We will create total attribute, then it will take it. Ha hash table, just I'm taking its implementation class also, because at the time ha. system is totally hanging now. Control shift O. Why? Utility. Why error I'm getting? Incorrect number of argument. Oh shit. Okay, now fine. Hmm.
Sorry, I think you have to configure in mapping file, I think. Configuration file, properties.
Yes, yes. Has it, fine. Fine, okay. So this is the attribute, okay, now fine. So this is the attribute, okay, but still what, come here, in the resources, the property is there, right? No, create only I taken, but still why? Okay, let it be. Again, let's run the application. Let's run the application. No issue, no issue. Okay, na, be patient in the software. If you survive in the software sector, patience is required because we don't know when the error will come. Okay, na. So if patience is not there, then we will go in the depression. Still error is there, right? Why error is there again and again? Okay, refresh the table. Just product ID is coming. This is the product. These two annotation is there. Okay, fine. Here also these two annotation I applied. Sometime happen. Don't worry. Okay, na? I will correct it. Alt Shift S plus R. Select all. Generate two string. Alt Shift S plus S. Okay. Now model class, right? Model class. Again, that just sometimes Shutter also is giving the problem because Alt Shift S plus R. I will explain in the Lambok API, right? I will explain when I will start the microservices. Then the Shutter also we will reduce there. We will not write and just we will write one annotation. The things will complete. Okay. So now again run the application. Now right click Java application. You know what is the problem? Address class is there, right? Address class is there and this class is there. Come to the configuration. Where the configuration? App configuration. Configuration, no. Yeah, in the previous application is giving just problem, right? The where services, this is the services DAO configure and the component. Come to component, right? From here to here, comment it. I commented it. Okay, so after commenting the things, yeah, now fine. Now come to test class. Actually, the previous application, this is the previous application, right? So here method calling it. Now comment it. Now run the application. Now run the application. But still we are getting. 1 minute, friends. 1 minute. Why we are getting this kind of problem? Anywhere I did mistake. Product, right? PROD. Just table name this one. PID. P name. P cast. After then I applied here what private set module, right? Module, prod module, name new has set, right? Has set module. This is the fine, and this one is what model class. Model ID, MOD name, model type, everything is fine, right? Why we are getting what is the error again? Again, read the error, right? Read the error. Table foreign key, okay, fine. JDBC statement DDL, alter. At the time of altering the table, right? At the rate constraint foreign key, this one. JDBC statement, okay. Target to database accepted generation target database. This is the create only, right? CREAT. Fine. This English is the spelling is the correct. Just be patient, right? By seeing that I will understand. Foreign key, okay na? 1 to many cascade call equal to fetch type. Oh ho. Got the point, okay na? Got a map by post. Actually fetch type, because of that, I have need to apply in the one to many, right? This property, because eagerly, this one by default, this is the eager, okay na? So I will tell why it's my mistake only here. We will apply this one only, right? This one also in the attribute I forget to tell. Oh sorry, I'm taking wrong place, okay? This here, not here, in the many to one. But it, I think okay, now let's run again one more time, run it and we will see that, okay na? I will tell why I'm applying the fetch type equal to lazy. But let's see the actually dynamically whatever things I'm delivering to you people, right? I'm not preparing myself, right? See, previously, right? I'm not preparing myself, but the little bit, okay, come to database and refresh it. No, because of that eager, okay na? If I'm taking eager, then, but I think there is no meaning of this. Why it's saying the SQL system check the manual that corresponding to your MySQL server version for the right syntax to use near. It's saying that the PF at line 1 foreign key. Okay. Let loop. Okay. One minute, be patient, friend. Okay, actually, I don't know why, but okay, remove these things. No need. Okay, now these things no need. Okay, fine. Let's take same only, right? How we are taking the previous version only, because confusion will create if we take multiple things. Okay, so this is okay, fine. This is our parent table. Okay, parent table. No, child table, right? At the rate table annotation is fine here. Okay, all annotation is fine. ID also I taken. ID also there. Okay, I'm associating that class entity ID persistent